Well, now, back again the next day. I did some off-screen mining and I put on a new belt. Well, it's not new. I kind of just found it laying around because AutoZone apparently can't find these, even though on their site it says that they have them. And hopefully we want to see if this hose fits. Probably like that right here and just bend it and hold forward. Let's see. Be wasting money, but get a small screwdriver or whatever, and you just make a hole on the very top right here. See? Look at that. Okay. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work. You round it. Why are you doing this to me? I ate some cookies, and now I'm ready to work. You fucking asshole. Power. Start. Yeah, we're back in business.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so, because it's gotta link up somewhere.
Because what I'm thinking is
Where the bolts?
right.
It's like, oh, it's missing a bolt, bro. It's gotta be here. But there's only a bracket from one side.
Hmm?
There's only a bracket from one side. So.
Yeah. Do you want a hat?
You got a spare hat, right?
I do have a spare hat. I should call him. Is all aftermarket, and then this is where the power steering fluid and everything hooks up to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you wanna help me hook up the fan? Because right now the fan is kind of missing a few wires. the relay's hooked up to the battery, so that kind of makes some sense, you know. I have a temperature sensor right here, so once we heat it up, the fans turn on, then we know it's good. You know? If like it's just how if something got onto the wrap,
Yeah.
like it started smoking.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Fire goes to red.
Bro. Man.
I just
What happened between this morning, bro?
spring.
Spring happened to you, bro?
It hit really quick. Yeah, good. Okay, so this red wire goes in there. You just got to pull out the whole thing. You should, or before you do anything, you should like disconnect the battery. Here. Put this end in here. That's it. Just go.
There's literally like a blue wire on the other end that's just not even like hooked up to anything.
Oh, yo!
I was like looking at that, I was like,
Yeah, that's for the fan, bro.
careful now. He actually helps you with that kind of stuff.
Really? Maybe I'm lacking my vitamin C.
God damn. So get like a box over.
Oh! The fencer's on.
Perfect. Now we know the system works.
Yeah. I'm gonna get these prints.
Alright. Bro's struggling out here.
Okay.
Bless you. Bless you. Carlos pro tip. If you're gonna work on your car with allergies, have a box of tissues ready on hand. Should sound good. I feel we're. See, look at that. Ah, there you go. There you go. Get it all out. Oh yeah. Throws it away and he's just looking to the trash can. It's like perfect,
I
bro.
was like, hey, maybe there's a bracket in there.
Brackets in there, 100%, bro.
100%, bro. You know, I've been figuring out which people AutoZone actually know what they're doing, which ones don't, bro.
Really?
Yeah, because then I'll be telling them like, oh, I swapped out a different engine into my car, and then they just look. Some of them look at me with like a blank face, be like,
And they're like, oh.
yeah, they're just like, oh, what's the make and model of the car? Still, I'm just like, I'd hope you put in a different engine. It doesn't matter.
It's like, it really don't matter.
Yeah.
Huh. There's other people like, I just think you were asking too much for him, bro. He didn't expect you to come in today and be like, I need a 40-inch circumference belt.
You know what? I gave him a hard time, bro.
You give him a hard time?
No, I didn't give him a hard time.
Oh, Chris Karen moments?
Not like that. Not like that. I gave him a hard time by like because I had like a shit ton of stuff to return. So,
Oh, so you're making him do extra work,
yeah,
bro.
because at first I'm like, okay, after I buy all my stuff, I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna just go to a different cashier and like get all of my return stuff done. And then I told him straight up, I'm like, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to my car. I'm just gonna go get something real quick.
Yeah.
I grabbed like all this stuff and dropped it on his counter. And was like, I need to get all of this stuff returned.
Tough. I can feel his face. He's like,
It did look like that. I think I might have just given up because it might be. I might have just reused the old gasket. To be honest with you, right?
you did reuse a lot of old parts on this car.
Yeah, I'm
I think
probably
you might need a
did.
new gasket for them.
I mean, I have gasket maker.
Oh,
I have RTV.
not bad.
Do we go to AutoZone for wrap and for like? No, because I'm gonna order it. It'll be easier too.
Yeah, if you wanted to get the wrap, we could get it today, but I mean,
It's probably more expensive too.
yeah. Get up, get up.
1, 2. What about this one? I feel like it might be a little small, actually.
Actually, might be this small.
Yeah.
I mean, is it like built for performance or what is it?
I don't know. It just looks different.
Yeah, this is definitely Chris Johnson work right now.
Yeah, I for sure did this.
Nice!
What's done it real quick?
Oh, hell no. That is the driest stone I've ever seen.
Yeah. Whoa!
Just a little bit, you know? Looking at America's Tire when you work on a bunch of rusted stuff. I feel like I should have got tetanus like five months ago.
Me too. I feel like I should have got it 6 months in.
I know you have a new lump on your back from standing underneath there.
Oh yeah, I have what are they called? What are these called again?
A callus?
Callus. I have calluses on my fucking spine, bro. Never mind, I'm retarded. Never mind. I'm not gonna.
I'm not gonna elaborate on that one.
Yeah.